We're in downtown Delafield. We've called this the Bark River Restoration Project, which is even more than just a river restoration project. It's a project that had a lot of different things that went into it.
One of the things that kind of initiated it early on was the Friends of the Bark River, and it was a volunteer group led up by some individuals that just wanted to make the river more accessible. The vision, I think, got a little bit bigger to where we were able to work with the DNR with the help of SEH to get some granting funds and be able to maybe put a bigger picture together.
We have the river restoration, the stream bank restoration. We have the park development, and then we had a critical part as far as burying a water feed pipe.
We had a very ugly pipe that for many, many years had crossed the river, had impeded access for even kayaks and things like that. It had been there for decades and decades and decades, and that was just one of the many things to create what we have today, was getting rid of that pipe.
The area between the pond that's over in St. John's Park and the river itself was really eroding. There was concern that that bank might not stay structurally sound. This path as well, I mean, the idea was to have it used all the time, but before we started this project, it was quite overgrown and kind of dark, and now I think people are really comfortable using it at all times of the day and even into the evening.
For the park area, it was kind of a center point for the city downtown area, having a plaza, having a place for people to meet. We have a handicap accessible canoe kayak launch.
There were so many little things that came together to have such a great result. You really watched it go from the infancy of starting an idea to the completion that we have here today, where we get to see so many people enjoy it for what it could be, because it was here before, it was just hidden, and people didn't really realize that it was there and available to them, and now they know.